What if I told you there was a way to boost the sales for your product and it's 100% going to be profitable? Hey, this is Nick Hodge, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about a specific strategy called gold panning that is a surefire way to increase sales for your product profitably. There are lots of different strategies with Amazon PPC and lots of different strategies that you can use in tandem or in conjunction with your current strategies. So kind of different layers. So for example, you have your research campaigns that you're using to gather more new keywords, to continually find new keywords that you could then target in the keywords that you're trying to rank for, your ranking campaigns. You have your exact match campaigns that have all your best keywords in there that you're really trying to drive traffic to and be aggressive with and dominate. You have your catch-all campaigns that have a super low bid that are just there to always continually look out for the lowest hanging fruit, and the ACoS is always amazing. And if you have a ton of products, they're great, can actually drive a lot of sales very profitably. Now, another strategy I'm going to talk to you about today is called gold panning. And what this is, it's a specific set of campaigns that you're going to set up with a moderate bid. For example, half the bid of your current campaigns that you're running to try to really rank your keywords. This is going to be about half the bid because the goal is to not show up on page 1 or top of page 1 or anything like that. You're going to be trying to show up on page 5, for example, page 6, page 10 maybe. This is going to be there to take advantage of the opportunities. For example, your top competitor runs out of budget. All of a sudden, this campaign with its low bid can step in there and get you a sale for very cheap. So specifically how you can set these up is you can take all of your current campaigns. Say you have a broad match, phrase match, and exact match for your current product with a specific set of keywords in those campaigns. You can actually just go in there, make copies of those campaigns, duplicate them, and maybe the current cost per click or what you currently have that is working well for that keyword, the current bid that's working well, cut that in half, okay? So you just cut that in half, you're gonna leave it there. You're not gonna try to optimize the bid like if you see it's doing better all of a sudden, try to raise the bid. It's always just gonna stay about half of what your current bid is in your ranking campaigns. And again, the idea is for those campaigns to be there to take advantage of those opportunities that show up from time to time. For example, again, like if a competitor loses his buy box and all of a sudden his ads shut off. For example, if he runs out of stock. For example, if they're doing day parting and then all of a sudden they're not running ads anymore, but you still are with that campaign, you now have the best bid in that space. You could even show up higher than normal because there's less competition competing for that keyword now. So definitely give this a try. You really have nothing to lose by setting up this type of campaign. I mean, generally they get an amazing ACoS similar to the catch-all campaigns. Catch-all campaigns are usually going to be more effective if you have tons and tons of products. They still can be effective if you have a few products, but really see a lot of sales. Usually you have to have a lot of products, but these gold panning campaigns, they can be effective for pretty much any size of Amazon business, Amazon account. So go ahead and give them a shot. And yeah, let me know in the comments how they go. And in the meantime, definitely leave me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.